everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is just a quick video to share with you a couple of the projects that I got finished from the Country Craft Creations New Year's Eve virtual retreat that we just had this past weekend. I still have two kits, full kits to work on when I have the time. I had to put these on the back burner, but I still have the kits and the instructions on and the links to the videos that I can utilize to create these two projects. One is Kim's Love is in the Air, super cute shadow box with a album, and then a box by Tamra using these feet on it with the Midnight Kiss. These are both exclusive paper collections from Country Craft Creations that you can order the paper collections. You just can't order the kits for the New Year's Eve virtual retreat. Those were sold out several months ago, and these projects were just for the people who paid for the retreat and received the kits. But there's good news. I'll share at the end of this video that there's another virtual retreat planned, and I will provide the link in the description below on how you can sign up for it now. And you want to do it before it closes, and also before it sells out. Now, the projects that I did, I was able to finish this fun project by Michelle, one of the Country Craft Creations designers. It's like a gift box. It has a little gift box here, and it has a little album here on the side. So this is how I finished mine up. I had the complete kit with the chipboard and all the pattern papers. These were flowers from my stash that I added, but there were some flowers that I did use that came with the kit. So this is what I finished up on it. It turned out super, super cute. I'm going to open it up on the inside. And unless you were in the virtual retreat, you do not have access to this tutorial. But isn't that cute? This opens up and the little album here comes out here on the side. Now I changed mine up a little bit. Instead of a ribbon closure, I made a little flap here and the little album comes out. So it is super, super adorable. So that was Michelle's project for the virtual retreat. And then I also did Margaret's easel recipe. Whoops, sorry about that. The thing fell down here. Let me pick that all up. Okay, so this is a little easel made out of chipboard. I changed mine up. It came with rings, binder rings, but I had some of these left from another project. These are the discs. So I used that. I put a magnet closure here on mine, and it flips up. And so you have little dividers in here for your recipe cards and then places for your recipes. So that turned out super, super cute. There's 5 dividers in it. So you did receive everything you needed to make this. These were flowers in the kit, and then I added this little pink one from my stash. So that's the fun part. You can add stuff from your stash to make it uniquely yours. So that was what I finished. And then I did get Tamra's album done with her Noel Nostalgic exclusive paper collection, and I forgot to share on the shelves. That was the Sweet Southern Mess that you can order from Country Craft Creation, the paper collection. And Margaret's is, I forget the name of it. It is not a Country Craft Creations paper. It's another, but any recipe type paper would work for a project like that. This one is Tamra's album. I did a little bit of mixed media stuff with some twigs that I found outside. I added some of my own roses and some feathers to dress it up differently. And on the inside, I have it assembled and patterned, but I haven't done any decorating yet. So that's something else I will be doing as I have time. And that's the great thing. When you sign up for a virtual retreat, it is in a Facebook group, so you do have to utilize Facebook to participate. That is where the links to the private videos are shared. So if you don't have Facebook, you cannot participate in the games or the Zooms or the tutorials because you won't have the links. You cannot search for the links on the designer's YouTube channel. There were 6 projects for this particular event. I don't know how many there will be for the one in July, but it's going to be a lot of fun. This was mine. I designed this one for the virtual retreat. Of course, I didn't have to do it because I already had it made. This was with the exclusive paper collection called Winter Wonders that you can order from Country Craft Creations, and it turned out really cute. This opens up this way, and then you have 2 sections here that you can utilize for different areas of photos in your album. So anyway, that was the projects that I have finished so far, and I still have these 2 kits. So what is the one in July? I don't have the dates right here in front of me, but you can sign up now for it. I will provide the link down in the description below so that you can go check it out on countrycraftcreations.com, see how much it is, see the dates. Like I said, everything's recorded, but the links are provided in Facebook, so you have to be on Facebook, and then you will be added into the Facebook group, the private group for just that virtual retreat, where you can read what's happening and as it comes along, and you will be added in by providing your order number after you purchase the virtual retreat. So you sign up for the virtual retreat, pay for it. There are payment options if you don't want to pay for all of it at once. So just check all that out. That would be in my description below. I just wanted to show you what kits I still have, what I made, and let you know that it's really worth it. There's not all the designers from Country Craft Creations participate at each virtual retreat. There's usually a select number, like 4 or 5, however many Tamara needs to design the projects and get those ready for you and do the tutorials on video and put the kits together. And all that you usually provide from your own stash is your cardstock and your adhesives, and then any other little decorative items you might want to throw in once you start working on it. Anyway, that's what a virtual retreat is with Country Craft Creations, so check it out. There's the link down below in my description. Have a great day. Bye-bye.